My name is Mark Miner. I am an investigative writer and author. In my travels, I've investigated many people and places. Watch as I seek out stories that are typically outside of the box of normal. I am the Seeker. Hi everybody, welcome back. We are now in season 2 and our very first episode is the Molalla Eye Vortex. So I just wanted to stop by here and let's talk about electromagnetism and how it affects the human being. Neuropsychiatric symptoms apparently produced by exposure to various electromagnetic fields found that significant increases in neuropsychiatric complaints included headaches, nausea, memory changes, dizziness, tremors, depressive symptoms, and sleep disturbances, attributed to the effects of electromagnetic fields on the human nervous system. There are some cases with symptoms including anxiety, suicidal thoughts, depression, fatigue, loss of libido, and hallucinations also. But electromagnetism comes from the inside of the earth. Yes, we get them from like small appliances, in the home, but those are not as harmful to us as the huge amounts that come from the earth, from within the rotation of the center of the earth, which then finds focal points and then just releases itself through the ground in huge amounts in certain locations. Sometimes electromagnetism is the cause of lightning, as you see here. This is just one good display of it going into the atmosphere and affecting weather changes. Another one that you might find familiar is the northern lights. This is a cause from electromagnetism being released from the center of the earth, from the rotation of it, very slowly. So very slowly the electromagnetism comes out of the earth and puts on these great displays when released into the atmosphere and affects with other things in the sky and in the atmosphere itself. So where are these places that releases these huge amounts of electromagnetism? Well, they're all over the world. You have to do your own research because there's many of them, and I don't want to keep you here for hours to list all of them. But we have 3 of them in the state of Oregon. Here is a chart of how harmful effects on human beings when you stay with such a long, prolonged time. So the other thing is I'm calling these vortexes because we do call those, that's what we call it in the state of Oregon. So according to the Department of Life Sciences and Systems Biology Research, it shows that prolonged amount of electromagnetism to a person who stays in these little areas of release with electromagnetism does have effect on people. So, and then also according to the Department of Life Sciences and Systems Biology Research, it shows that an immediate and or spontaneous amount of electromagnetic energy released from underground can definitely cause severe changes in plant and tree life, as well as rock formation oddities, especially when consistent in small focused areas. Other tests confirm these findings come from the Plant Physiology Innovation Center and the University of Turin in Italy. So enjoy the show, guys. All right, everybody, thanks for joining us back. We got Miles here on this episode as well. So we're actually here at the Molalla Eye Portal. A lot of you have been out here. This place is pretty famous in Oregon. What you don't understand is that this is a vortex. And a vortex, of course, is a place where you can lose time and ability to function in any of your 5 senses or even pass out. And that's because energy comes from the center of the earth, which is like electromagnetic energy, and it swirls up in certain locations and it messes with our internal systems as human beings and animals. So oftentimes in places like this you won't see a lot of animals. So we're going to go walk on this path a little bit so we can get a drop-eye view on it. So I'll let you go first. Oh, I'd say go up this way. Are you going to try to go down that way? Dude, that's like a huge decline. Okay, so we're going to go down this very steep trail. We are near the Highway 211.
So if we come up missing, somebody come out and look for us. Oh, there is a trail we can get down there too. Holy shnikes. And of course we had to pick. Oh, there's a rope. Sweet. Oh, I got it. Thank you. I'm a pro at this now with one hand. Alright, somebody was smart enough to put a rope up here. Okay. So if you're getting weird angles on this camera, it's because we're going down a very, very, very steep. Is there even a trail in front of there?
Yeah.
Is there? I mean, before we go down and make this effort, is there a trail down there?
There is, yeah. Well, I mean,
that gets over to it?
I don't know, that's what I was wondering. It looks like that.
I don't think there is a bank. I kind of want to get in the middle. I'm going to go up to the top and look down at it. Alright, so let's go back up. So, there's got to be there should be like a bottom trail on the other side of that upper trail. I don't know why that was easier going up than it was down. You got it? Alright. Miles is up. Okay. So oh yeah. Okay guys, here's the Molalla Eye. So this is one of the many portals in Oregon. Isn't that incredible? So we get close to the edge without falling in. And the blue water. So the reason why this basalt, I can't think of the people who do rocks.
Masons?
No, like the scientists. Anyway, so they came out and they did like a study on these rocks. Why did it form this way? Like the swirl you're seeing in front of you. And geologists, that's what it is. So geologists said that the energies here tend to make everything swirl to a tilt. As you can see, like trees up there that are swooped and all these rocks. So in this one specific location under this water is a lot of electromagnetic energy that makes this rock swirl, and that's why it looks like an eye. So you're supposed to feel elated, not all the time that you come here, just whenever that energy releases itself. You're supposed to feel elated or tired or passed out or whatever. Let me get right here. Somebody's dropped a few things here. Okay, so I'm gonna take a picture. Alright, so that's the eye, guys. That is beautiful. Look at that. That is so cool. Alright, so I'm going to let you guys go. I'm going to back this up with some information and with a voiceover and let you see some stuff about what the geologists found about the area and some testimonials from people who have felt weird here or felt like something has changed within them or have passed out or just lost time altogether. So me and Miles is going to say bye, and we'll see you on the next episode. Don't forget to hit the like. Remember, stay weird, always be weird. Weird is a good thing. Talk to you guys later. Bye.